What is Hyena Edge? The game-changing AI model built to crush transformers on your phone. What if I told you the biggest AI models might soon run without needing massive cloud servers and still be faster, smarter, and ready right from your phone? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Meet Hyena Edge, the first real sign that the transformer era is starting to crack. In this video, we are going to learn what Hyena Edge is, how it works, why it's different from traditional AI models like transformers, and why it could be a massive breakthrough for running powerful AI directly on smartphones and other devices. For years, most of the world's AI breakthroughs have been powered by transformer models. Transformer models are a type of AI model that read and understand data, like text, by focusing on the important parts using a method called attention. They can process whole sentences at once, making them very good at tasks like translation, answering questions, and writing stories. Models like ChatGPT and Google Bard are based on transformers. These were introduced back in 2017, and after some years, transformer architecture became the foundation for tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Claude, and many others. But they have a major problem when it comes to smartphones, laptops, tablets, and similar devices. They are heavy, slow, and require lots of memory and energy. Running them smoothly on a small device without burning through your battery has always been a big challenge. This is where Hyena Edge comes in. Hyena Edge is a new AI model built by Liquid AI, a startup based in Boston and spun out of my team. They revealed Hyena Edge in April 2025, just before the big AI conference, ICLR. And no, it's not just another transformer upgrade, it's something completely different. Hyena Edge is built around a new type of technology called convolution-based multi-hybrids. Instead of using attention mechanisms like transformers, Hyena Edge mostly uses gated convolutions. Gated convolutions are a smart way for AI models to control how much information passes through when processing data like text or images. They use special gates that decide which parts of the information are important and should move forward, making the model much faster and lighter while still staying smart. By the way, if you want to learn more about AI, then enroll in our full course, Introduction to AI and ChatGPT, on our website. The link is mentioned in the description box. Hyena Edge is made especially for edge devices like smartphones. It aims to run strong AI tasks just like chatbots, document analysis, and real-time applications right on your phone. It doesn't need powerful cloud servers or endless energy. It can work efficiently using just the resources inside your device. This means quicker responses, less memory usage, and a better experience overall. Now let's talk about why Hyena Edge is such a big deal. First, it beats transformer models in real-world tests on actual smartphones. Liquid AI tested Hyena Edge on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a real phone that many people already have. They compared it to a powerful transformer model called GQA Transformer plus with the same number of parameters. In every test, Hyena Edge was faster. It had 30% quicker latency when processing longer pieces of text. Even for short prompts like those used in voice assistants, Hyena Edge responded faster. Second, Hyena Edge used less memory at every step. This is super important because your phone also needs memory for your photos, videos, apps, and games. Models that take up too much memory can slow down your device or even crash apps. Hyena Edge keeps its memory use low, making it much better for real-world mobile applications. Third, Hyena Edge was just as accurate as the transformer model, and in many cases, it was even better. When tested on tasks like predicting the next word, understanding text, and reasoning, Hyena Edge either matched or beat the baseline transformer model. It scored better on benchmarks like Wikitext, Lambda, PQA, HelloSwag, and Winogrande, proving that you don't have to sacrifice quality for speed. Another exciting part about Hyena Edge is how it was built. Instead of humans sitting down and designing it manually, Liquid AI used an automated system called STAR, which stands for Synthesis of Tailored Architectures. STAR works kind of like evolution. It starts with a bunch of possible model designs, tests them for memory, speed, and accuracy, and picks the best ones to create the next generation. After 24 generations and many improvements, STAR created Hyena Edge. This method made sure that the final model was perfectly optimized for edge devices without any guesswork. What really makes Hyena Edge different is its architecture. Traditional models use attention, where every part of a sentence checks every other part. That's powerful, but it's slow and uses a lot of resources because the amount of work grows fast as the sentence gets longer. Hyena Edge replaces most of that attention with convolution operations. Convolutions are faster because they focus on local patterns and don't need to check every single word against every other word. This makes Hyena Edge scale much better for longer text without losing understanding. Hyena Edge is built on the Hyena family of operators that started a few years ago. These operators are designed to handle long pieces of information with much less computational work than attention mechanisms. They combine gating, which helps control the flow of information, with efficient convolution techniques. This smart design allows Hyena Edge to manage long-range dependencies in text without slowing down, something older convolution models struggled with. Another advantage is that Liquid AI tested and optimized everything directly on real smartphones, not just on lab computers. They measured every operation's speed and memory cost on actual devices during the model's evolution. This means that Hyena Edge isn't just good in theory, but it's proven to work well in the real world, where memory, battery life, and user experience matter. The team behind Hyena Edge didn't stop at making the model faster. They also made sure it keeps its quality even as it becomes lighter. For example, in tasks like the GL-DOE benchmark, which tests understanding meaning and relationships between sentences, Hyena Edge even outperformed its transformer competitor. This shows that new architectures can not only match, but sometimes exceed traditional models on real-world tasks. Now, let's look at what's coming next. Liquid AI plans to open source Hyena Edge soon. This means developers around the world will get to use it, tweak it, and make even more powerful applications without needing expensive cloud services. It also means users might soon see apps and features that run faster, protect their privacy better, and work offline because everything happens right on the device. Open sourcing Hyena Edge could also inspire more innovations. Developers might shrink it further for even smaller devices like smartwatches, or fine-tune it for specialized tasks like helping with coding, education, or healthcare apps. The possibilities are endless once such an efficient and smart model is available to everyone. Hyena Edge is also part of a bigger trend in AI. For a long time, transformers ruled the AI world, especially for big cloud applications. But for edge computing, where energy and memory are limited, new ideas are needed. Hybrid models like Hyena Edge that use convolutions recurrent models, and other methods are rising fast. And with smart automated design tools like STAR, progress is happening faster than ever before. Looking at the future, phones are getting better. AI chips. Laptops are starting to ship with AI accelerators. Users want AI that works instantly, keeps their data private, and doesn't rely on the internet. Hyena Edge fits perfectly into this new world, making powerful AI accessible and efficient right in your hand. In conclusion, Hyena Edge is not just a small upgrade. It's a major step toward a new kind of AI that is fast, efficient, accurate, and mobile first. It shows that we don't need to stick with old, heavy transformer models for everything. With models like Hyena Edge, the future of AI is about running powerful tools directly on our phones, laptops, and even smaller devices without sacrificing quality. Liquid AI's innovation points the way forward, and soon AI might be faster, smarter, and closer to us than ever before, right in our pockets. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.